The Figma tricks you should know earlier.
Today, I want to show you guys how to quickly copy and paste the styles. This card has many different design attributes. The rounded corners. The first gradient layer to protect the text on the bottom. The second diagonal gradient layer. The last layer is the image. And then the shadow. If you want to build this card from the scratch, it will cost you a lot of time to manually put in the attribute values. Actually, there's an easy way to do this. Select the layer which has all the attributes. Press Command, Shift, C, to copy the styles. Select an object, and then press Command, Shift, V, to pass the style. Sometimes you might have this kind of situation, it doesn't paste the style. Because you didn't select the right layer to copy the style. Please make sure you select the one with the attributes you want. Of course, you can copy text attribute too. You can apply the attributes to the shape of objects, but you cannot change the shape. Basically, you can paste the styles from this area. Let's try it, one by one. Solid color. Gradient. Stroke. Corners. Shadow. Multiple attributes, like what we had earlier. The last one, text style. If you like the content, please subscribe to get daily Figma tricks.